won't change. The summer passing by, the summer on tonight, though it's all that they say. There's someone who's always been there, and never left my side, leaving all the things behind. And she's standing right in front of me, with 2 mugs of coffee. There is something about that place that keeps me going. You did it, you came in. You made this home a better place. And when I see you passing by, each day you make me feel alive. And now the world and gray, and we're not as quick as we used to be. Still you leave me breathless, relentless. Though that's still enough, but they stand around.